Hello guys, today we learn how to install Visual Studio Code in Windows 2010. Let us see. First open Google and then type installation of Visual Studio Code. So you can get different results and you can see here download Visual Studio Code and click on that link and you see icon like Windows. Now you click on Windows for downloading. So downloading will be started now. So this download will be downloaded in some minutes. So let us see. You can see there is some portion. It will still remain. So please wait. Now downloadation will be completed. Now right click on Visual Studio Code and run as administrators. So in this way installation will be started. Now click on OK button. So just click OK button. Now choose accept. Now click on next. Again next. Again next. And also you can check icon for desktop. Now click on next. Then next. So please wait for some times. So you can see the progress of Visual Studio Code. So finally Visual Studio Code setup wizard have been finished. Now automatically open Visual Studio Code and you can see the file ready service view go run. Now this Visual Studio Code is editor for like C, C++, Pythons, PHP. You can use many programs for editing purpose and also you can run. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.